You can get started right away in today's video, and this brand new app will help you earn money in under 40 seconds. All you need is an internet connection, a laptop, computer, or any smartphone to repeat the process as many times as you wish. You're not required to sell anything, create videos, complete tedious questionnaires, or engage in affiliate marketing. To produce money almost entirely on autopilot, simply join up for this app and follow the procedure in this video. So this is where you'll need to create an account, which should just take about 60 seconds. In less than 42 seconds, you'll be able to sign into the brand new app and it will handle all the work for you on complete autopilot. So, I'll show you exactly how to accomplish it. But if you want this to work, you must follow all of the instruction in this video and remain until the finish. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We love to hear from you. Now, before we get into this app, there's another platform that you'll need to join up for. So let's go through that. So, this is the web page where you'll be receiving your payment. This is the website where you'll generate money, and you'll combine that with the second software I'm about to show you, which will handle all of your work for you on autopilot. And it's called offervault.com, which is another CPA marketplace. The term cost per action refers to the ability to obtain a reference link. As a result, you can recommend others to some of these offers using your link. You can share your link and get paid a set amount of money every time someone uses it to sign up for a free offer simply by providing their email address. As you can see, some will pay you these amounts based on what they need to do. But in most situations, all they need to do is become a qualified lead by answering their first name, last name, and email address, and you'll be paid for it. They're not required to purchase anything or spend any money. It's all free for them, and they may benefit from it, while you earn money simply by having them sign up. Also, you'll need to focus on certain offers in specific categories that will work best with the app I'm about to teach you, so you don't have to share this on social networking networks. Now, when you get to offervault.com, use the search box to select the finest offers where individuals can sign up for free. It takes them less than 60 seconds to sign up. To uncover those deals, simply use the keyword gift card in your search. After that, you look for a gift card that will provide you with all of these different deals to which you can refer others. You'll get paid various amount of money and they'll have a chance to win a gift card if they sign up for certain offers. As you can see in this situation, they can have this gift card, and when they sign up for that offer, you'll get paid this amount of money, which is a lot of money if you get 10 people to sign up. It's far easier to get people to join up for anything for free in exchange for a 500 or 1000 gift cards than it is to try to sell them stuff. So it's a lot easier to get them to join up for something for free, especially if they can benefit from it. The majority of those people will most likely not win the giveaway, but they will want to give it a go because they will have a chance to win anything in less than 60 seconds. If you like this video, please like and share it with your friends. If you liked it, please subscribe using that red button and leave a comment down below. It would be fantastic if you like it. Subscribe, switched on the notification bell, and left a comment below. We'll post a terrific new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can get money doing easy things like this if you get 1,000 comments on this video saying I'll make money in 2022. So if this video receives 2022 likes, we'll release a fantastic brand new film that may be even wilder than this. So with that stated, it's time to get back to work and earn some money. So, you can refer people to giveaway where they can win various types of gift cards, as shown here. And you can go through all of these different offers and try them out to see which one works best for you. But for the purposes of this video, we'll be focusing on this offer right here because it has been proven to produce better results. It will indicate email submit underneath the offers, as you can see. That means that anyone who join up through this offer will only have to respond to their email address. It's free for them, and they have a chance to win this prize, and you get compensated for each person you recommend. Of course, you're not required to concentrate solely on this one offer. You're free to take whichever offer you desire. You may be able to find a better offer that pays more, but I'm simply using this as an example. So whenever you locate an offer, simply click on it to be taken to this website where you can learn more about how this offer works, how much you'll get paid, and how people won't have to buy anything. To become a qualified lead, they simply need to respond to their email address. So, let me demonstrate how that will work. You can see a sample of the offer right now. So, we're bringing folks to this website where they can send this one over here by simply entering their email address and pressing the continue button. That's all there is to it. It takes less than 10 seconds. And if they are chosen, they will receive this amount of gift card. It makes no difference if they don't. You continue to be compensated for each person you refer. So, all I wanted to do was pick a few offers from OfferVault.com, a CPA marketplace with tens of thousands of offerings. Simply chose an offer that you believe would be suitable for you and is simple to market. All you have to do now is choose an offer or visit this page to get your CPA link. If you want to learn more about it, click the Run Offer button right here. That will lead you to their marketplaces. It will always be unique, and it will direct you to a separate site where you will just need to register. Because it's a little more sophisticated, the sign-up procedure will take a few minutes. They will inquire about your first and last names. Depending on the platform, you'll be asked for basic information such as where you reside and what you do for a career. It's not difficult, but it will take a few minutes to sign up and acquire the referral code. Once you have the link, you can share it with others so they can sign up for those offers for free and have a chance to win gift cards while you get paid. Now, if you're wondering if this works and if you can make money with a strategy, check out OfferVault.com, which is one of the websites I've joined up for. I found a website that I signed up for, devised a strategy, and now I'm generating a decent living. It's not a life-changing amount of money, but it's $100 a day because it takes me less than 40 seconds to set everything up with an app that I'll show you in this video. It's still not awful, and while it's not life-changing sum of money, I'm still happy with the outcomes. Profitmate.net/FE is a software I use to automate the entire process. And this is the app I use to promote my CPA links to make money on complete autopilot. This program gives you an endless email subscriber list and allows you to market photos, email subscribers, and anything else you want 24 hours a day. You might also promote some affiliate offerings or even your own. In this case, I use it to advertise those CPA links from OfferVault.com, and it worked out very nicely. Because it's a new app, I haven't tried any affiliate offers yet, but it works great with CPA offerings. You don't need to build a large social media following or spend hundreds of dollars on advertisements. You can just log into this app, set it up in a few minutes, and leave it to generate traffic for you. As you can see, 40 seconds can earn you a limitless number of emails. It takes less than 40 seconds and is completely legal, so it's very straightforward. They'll take care of everything so you can obtain some results. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video and I'll see you there.